Hello and welcome to the SPLAT workout. So today's workout is going to consist of step-ups for the legs and glutes, press-ups for the chest, lunges for the legs and glutes, and Arnold presses for the shoulders, followed by 30 seconds rest, hence SPLAT workout. So I've got some dumbbells here. You can do this workout with kettlebells if you want, and you can also do it with heavier dumbbells for the different exercises. So potentially the Arnold presses, you might want to increase the weight a little bit from the step-ups, or whatever you want to do. The whole workout is going to be based on getting the upper body and the lower body working together and getting to fatigue. So the step-ups and the lunges are 20 reps, as in 10 per leg. The press-ups are 10 reps, and the Arnolds are 10 reps as well. Now, by all means, if you want to do more than those reps, that's absolutely fine. For the purposes of the video, it's going to be 10. Okay, so make sure you're warmed up and are ready to go. And if you are ready, then let's get going. So first of all, we're going to do step-ups onto the step, funnily enough, here. So we're going to do one leg at a time. So push up, come down, push up. And the reason we're not swapping legs here and going alternates is so that we can keep the foot placed and make sure we're keeping the tension there. So swapping over each time sometimes can take the emphasis off. Here we're just up and low in, and there's no momentum there either from swapping over. And two more. And 10. Okay. Swap legs, set in position. Let's go. 1, 2. And we're only using this back foot to stop us. We're not kicking off with the back foot at all. We're just using it to steady ourselves, to provide a base to push from the front foot. I think that's 8, 9, 10. By doing it singly, you can also get more weight rather than if you're doing alternate step-ups. We're going to press up. So this first set's going to be a warm-up, making sure everything's all warmed up. So for 10 reps on press-up, let's go. Pause, push, pause, push. And we're pausing again to stop any, making sure we're engaging the muscle. A couple more. Keep going. One more. Okay, and then we're going to go into favourite short step lunges. So we're going to do this. I've got a short space here, so in your lounge this will work as well. So short step lunges, one foot in front of the other. When you come down, push up, one foot in front of the other. So the feet are next to each other, but they're lined up. So we're getting this very short movement, which helps you to target the glutes and also the quads. Turn around. And I'm doing this quite slowly for this set so that you can get warmed up, get the knees warmed up. Don't want to be doing too much too fast, making sure these joints and the blood's in the joint. Just do these up and down your living room or wherever you're exercising. Want to get 10 of each side. And we're going to do these a little bit faster once we've warmed up fully. Take your time, get the form correct. A couple more to take you back to center. Okay, it's about 20, I think. And then we go straight into Arnold press. So Arnold press, have the hands, palms facing towards your face. Twist. Oh, don't touch them. Don't be one of those people in the gym. Again, just want to be nice and slow. On this first set, to make sure everything's nicely warmed up. Okay, let's have a little rest for a second. Oh, where are you going? Okay, let's rest. Gonna have 30 seconds rest. We probably won't need 30 seconds for the first set. Get your breath back. If you need to warm up a little bit more, do a few more reps on each one, by all means. And starting again, about 10 seconds or so, give us 20 seconds rest. So now we're going to go a little bit faster. So we're going to go step up, press up, lunge into Arnold, and then we have our 30 seconds rest afterwards. Gauge each set and the weights. If you want to change the weights, do that. It's not that important to do straight after one another supersets, as long as you're doing the exercises. You don't get no super benefit from doing them like a tag team. Make sure you're working the muscle. Right, so let's go into step up. So 10 aside, a little bit faster this time. Okay, 1 foot on, set position, ready to go. Let's go. So push, push, push. Remember, don't push off with the back foot or the front foot. Keep going. This will engage the glutes if you stop at the bottom, and the adductors, which is always a point of contention for many people, including women. Okay, other side, set position, let's go 10. And remember, it's not just the weight you're lifting, it's your whole body weight. So this for me is 90 kilos or thereabouts, plus 10, whatever these dumbbells are. Okay, into press up. Okay, set position, let's go for 10. Pause, push, push. 3, come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, straight into the lunges. Okay, let's go. These are horrible. Let's go a little faster. Okay, 1, 2, keep going. 3, so you get this little walking pace done. 7, let's go again. 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, get that little pace going. 14, 15, a couple more. Let's go. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go straight into Arnold. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so gauge your last set, and then if you feel you need more weight, put more weight on. If you need less weight, perhaps do less weight. Ideally we want to, in the last, so we've got 4 working sets. We had the 1 warm-up set, just done the first working set. We've got 3 more working sets. Ideally on the last working set, we get into failure on the last couple of reps, so gauge your weight accordingly. Personally, I'd much rather you do more volume of reps than try and go for failure, say 2 or 3 reps. Okay, that's just 30 seconds rest, and let's go back into step-ups again. Working set 2. Okay, if you need to, pause the video. If you're ready to go, let's go. Foot on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's put those down. Let's go into press ups for 10. Okay, set position. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, back to lunges. Oh, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, horrible. 6, 7, 8. Oh, God, I've done all that and hardly got anywhere. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, let's go another 4. 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, let's go. Arnold Press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 4. Whew. Okay, let's start off. Counter 30 seconds rest. Okay, have a little bit of your drink if you need one. Ooh. Gets very bad very quickly, that one. Okay, let's have a little rest. You can't see this, but it's actually really cold in this studio, and my nose is running because it's so cold. It's ridiculous. But it's going to be warm in a minute. I might get steamed up. Okay. Right, let's go in then. Working set 3. Let's go for step ups. Okay. Foot on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's go for press ups. Okay, get into position. Okay, let's go for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, lunges. Okay, let's go for 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get these right, you should be able to really feel the glutes coming in. 7. Let's go again. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's go. 16, 17, 18, 19. Right. We're going to Arnold. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Get a rest. Last set, coming up. Ho-ho. As sometimes when I design these workouts, I look and go, oh, maybe we should have a few more reps there. It doesn't seem very hard. I'm glad this time I made sure I was sensible, not trying to kill myself with dumbbells. Oh, how are you feeling? Hope you're having a good workout. Hope your legs are feeling those lunges. Okay, last set. Let's go. Let's go for the step ups first. So just on a note on the step ups is, when I do the step ups, you'll see that I don't step up onto it. I'm just using the step to push myself up. Very big difference. If you step up and hold your weight, you take tension off the glutes, so you don't want to do that. So from here, pushing up, but we're not coming over like that. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, so the weight's always back off the step. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And what that means is there's always tension pulling you backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Might find your balance goes because the legs are tired. That's perfectly fine. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Let's go into some press ups. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woohoo! Of course, you could do flat floor press if you wanted to with the dumbbells. Okay, last set of lunges, thankfully. Let's go. Oh, keep going. 2, 3. That was for me, not for you either. 7, 8, 9, 10. Seems to get there a lot quicker than before. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, a couple more. Come on. Yeah. 10. Bonus round. Oh, let's go. Arnold Press. Come on. Reps for Jesus. 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, get the curls in. Come on. 4. Little bonus round. Get some curls in to finish off. Whoa. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the SPLAT workout. I certainly do feel splattered. See you next time.